Are you using BigQuery data transfer to load Facebook ads data only to hit limits, missing data actualization that is not available there, or figure out what to do with nested properties? Or stuck waiting for data engineer to build a custom pipeline because the built-in connector doesn't cut in? Maybe you tried a SaaS tool only to find hidden pricing behind talk to sales or schema limitations that force you to drop important fields that are required in reporting. If any of that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Whether you are a data analyst, a performance marketer, a part of the marketing or data agency, or just the one person on your team responsible for making sense of reporting, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to load Facebook ads data directly into Google BigQuery without Python, without vendor login, without surprise costs. Actually, there is no cost at all, only a free, open-source JavaScript connector that you control by OWOX. It runs exactly on your schedule, gives you the way to customize the schema the way you want out of 600 fields available in Facebook Ads API, and gives you full visibility and control of what's happening under the hood. We already have a video for the Facebook Ads to Google Sheets connector that you can find right here. Plus, we're going to be publishing a lot more tutorials like this, probably hundreds of those, by the end of this year, so make sure you do a few things. 1. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and enable notifications so you don't miss any of the next connectors available. 2. Give us a star and watch us on GitHub so we can see that we are doing valuable things for you. And number 3, please like or dislike this video because this would help more solar analysts and more businesses fix their connectivity issues with a free tool created specifically for them. You may reasonably ask, why are we making this available for free? It's because for us at OWOX, data ownership matters, because reporting should be fast, reliable, and under control, and because too many tools overcharge for something that should be accessible to everyone across the team for better decisions. We wanted to build something different, and hence, we did. We want data connectivity and ownership to stop being a bottleneck for reporting. With our connectors library, everything runs in your environment. You own the data, you control the schema, you choose the metrics to load and schedule updates right from inside Google Sheets. It's built in JavaScript, and you can read or edit every line of code. And yes, this one is free forever. And Node.js edition we're working on is going to be available via npm install from GitHub into your infrastructure shortly, so stay tuned. With this being said, let me show you exactly how this connector works. Let's get started. So step number 1, you need the template. Go to our GitHub and open Facebook marketing template and create a copy by selecting File, Make a Copy. That way, it's saved to your own Google Drive and fully editable. It's fully free from marketing things like email collection, so you can just go and do that on GitHub. But if you also want the instructions to be sent by email, you can download this template using the link below in the description. I'll ask you for your email just to send you the instructions. I promise not to sell you anything. Great, you've copied the document. Now let's configure the connector so it knows exactly what to fetch and from where. Now, go to the config sheet, set the start date for your import. I will put January 1st, 2025. That we need to select the end date. It's not necessary, but I will add January 30, 2025. Then add Facebook Ads account ID. You can find it in your Meta Ads Manager. It's right there when you open an ad account. If you want to pull data from multiple accounts into the same spreadsheet, you're good to go. Just separate them with commas. Now we need to set your BigQuery destination. So basically add the destination in the format of project ID dot dataset ID. And we also need to specify the BigQuery region for your dataset. If the dataset doesn't already exist, it will be created automatically. I'll just put US here. Then there are a few of the optional fields for you, like max fetching date, which is the maximum number of dates to load the data for. And then the reimport lookback window, which is the number of days before the most recent import date to refetch the data. By default, it's 2 days, and I will keep it the same. As you can see here, we've taken care of the most of the necessary setup things here, but you are free to edit the app script and customize this connector for yourself if you want to. That's it. All your config is done, and you are fully in control of what's going to be fetched and where it ends up. Next, customizing the import schema. Go to Fields tab and check the boxes for the metrics and dimensions you care about. Things like campaign name, impressions, spend, clicks, whatever you want. We have over 600 fields available in this template. They are all segmented by, so to say, the folder. So each of those sections goes to a separate BigQuery table while importing. Only the selected fields will be imported, but it's totally customizable afterwards as well. And in case we are missing any of the fields from the API here, you can add more of those here. Just use the same structure. And if you do so, please don't forget to send us a pull request on GitHub so others can use the results of your work. Now, it's time to authorize the connector to access your Facebook ads data. You'll only need to do this once. Go to developers.facebook.com and log in using your Facebook account, the one that has access to your ad account and business manager. In the top right corner, click My Apps, then Create App. Give your app any name and add your email address. Click Next and complete this app creation. For the app type, aka use case, scroll all the way down and choose Other. Click Next. Then select the business type. Check all the details and click Create App. Once your app is created, select the Marketing API card and click Setup. In the left-hand menu, click Tools. Then you need the section Get Access Token. Select the following permissions: Ads Read and Read Insights. Then click Get Token to actually generate the access token. In your copied Google Sheet template, click OWOX Manage Credentials, then paste your access token here and click OK. Look, we are not storing this on our end. It's your document, we don't have access to it, or to your local app script. It's 100% yours. Once your credentials are saved, it's time to run the import and load the data straight into BigQuery. In your Google Sheet, go to OWOX menu, Import New Data. The script will now fetch the selected data from the config sheet and stream it directly into the BigQuery project and data that you specified. If this is your first time, you'll be prompted to grant access to your Google Cloud account and approve the required scopes. Once authorized, the script starts running. You'll see a real-time progress log appear with each batch of data being sent to BigQuery. Each section of fields you selected, for example, campaign level or ad level metrics, will be written into its own BigQuery table following a clear naming. When it finishes, you will see a message saying Import finished. And that's it. Your ads data is now stored in BigQuery. From here, you can query it with SQL, build dashboards in Looker Studio, or join it with other tables inside your warehouse. You are now in full control at scale. Now that everything is working, let's set up a daily refresh so your Facebook ads data is always up to date. Here is how you do it. In your Google Sheet, go to Extensions, AppScript, Triggers. Then click Add Trigger. Let's set it up. Choose which function to run, import new data. Choose which deployment should run, head. Select event source, time-driven. Select type of time-based triggers, for example, day timer. Select time of day, pick your preferred time window. I'll go with 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. every day, and that's it. Click Save. Don't forget to make a new deployment. And don't worry, if anything goes wrong, AppScript will send you an email with the error log. Now your connector will run every day automatically, loading new data from the Platform API into your infrastructure, Google Sheets or BigQuery, without you lifting a finger. Awesome! Your Facebook ads data is now flowing directly into BigQuery on a schedule. So, what can you do next? Now that your raw ad data is in BigQuery, you can join it across the tables using the keys. You can join that with any other advertising data from other platforms. You can build a blended ad spends table. You can map that with conversions data from GA4 to BigQuery Expert, CRM data, and internal conversions event using SQL. Basically, you are not limited anymore to reporting or using the data inside BigQuery. Or you can build attribution models now. Whether you're working with simple last-touch attribution or building custom multi-touch logic, machine learning funnel-based attribution like we do at OWOX, BigQuery gives you that full flexibility. And this connector ensures that you've got the freshest ad data ready for you. Are you running ad campaigns across accounts in multiple currencies? Use our Open Exchange Rates connector to load daily exchange rates into BigQuery and normalize the spend across accounts. You can also build a cross-platform ROAS dashboard by pulling in Facebook ads, TikTok ads, LinkedIn ads, X, Twitter, Reddit, Microsoft, Bing ads, and Criteo ads data inside using our other free connectors. They are all live and available now for you. Or you can plug BigQuery directly into Looker Studio, Power BI, or whatever other tool your team uses for visualization, and visualize your unified, up-to-date performance dashboards without bottlenecks or manual CSV exports. And finally, you can use scheduled queries, dbt, OWOX Data Marts Community Edition that we are releasing in July 2025, or other orchestration tools to keep your reporting pipelines running cleanly and automatically, now that you've got the data where it belongs. And the best part, there is no vendor lock-in, no credit card is required, and there is no black box magic happening underneath. You own the data, you own the logic, you own the outcome. If you ever want to tweak the schema, add fields, or fork the connector, go for it. It's built in JavaScript, not Python, so you can customize it yourself or with a little help of ChatGPT. And if you want to contribute to our open source movement, just add a connector, request a feature, or improve the docs, just go ahead and do that inside our GitHub repo. We'd love to have you inside our community. So, what's next? First, grab the free connector on GitHub. The link is in the description. Second, give it a star on GitHub. It helps us know that this is useful and motivates us to keep building those connectors. Third, if you had any issues or want to request a new connector, head to Discussions or Issues tab on GitHub. Our team checks those every day. Then, subscribe to this YouTube channel and enable notifications so you don't miss the next tutorials for our free connectors and the orchestration platform release. We'll call it OWOX Data Marts Community Edition, and yes, that one is going to be free as well. And finally, if you're feeling ambitious and want to create your own connector, check out our contributors guide. We'll feature your work, give you a backlink, showcase your story if you want, and we'll help you promote it. That's it. No vendor lock, no paywalls, no mysteries. Just you and your connector in your spreadsheet, in full control over your data connectivity. Thanks for watching this video, and if this saved you time or money or both, just drop a comment and let me know. I'm Yevgen from OWOX, and I've got more tutorials coming soon, so stay data curious, and as always, happy analyzing!